Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we do question number first of worksheet 4. In this question we have 3 sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx. For doing this, we change the numerator in the form a multiplied by denominator plus b multiplied by differentiation of denominator. Denominator is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Put it here. Denominator is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x multiplied by 3a cos x plus 2a sin x differentiation of 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so it becomes minus 3 sin x plus differentiation of sin x is cos x. Minus 3b sin x plus 2b cos x. We take cos x common from these two terms, we get 3a plus 2b cos x plus we take sin x common from these two terms, we get 2a minus 3b sin x. Now in LHS we have 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. Now we compare coefficient of sin x. On comparing coefficient of sin x and cos x. On comparing coefficient of cos x, we get 3a plus 2b equals to 2. And on comparing coefficient of sin x, we get 2a minus 3b equals to 3. Now we solve these two equations by elimination method. In first equation we multiplied by 3 and in second equation we multiplied by 2. So we have 3 3 is 9a plus 6b equals to 6 and 2 2 is 4a minus 2 3 is 6b equals to 2 3 is 6. 13a equals to 12, a equals to 12 by 13. Now put a equals to 12 by 13 in equation 1. We have 3 12 by 13 plus 2b equals to 2. 2b equals to 2 minus 12 3 is 36 upon 13. 2b equals to 13 to 26 minus 36 minus 10 upon 13. 2 5 is 10. b equals to minus 5 by 13. Now we have both the values, value of a and value of b. Now put these values here. We get value of a is 12 by 13, denominator is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus value of b is minus 5 by 13, differentiation of denominator is minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. Now we put the value of 3 sin x plus 2 cos x in the given integral. We can write here I equals to, in place of 3 sin x plus 2 cos x, we put 12 by 13 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus minus minus 5 by 13 minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. Minus 5 by 13 minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx. Now we break the whole integral into two integrals. Like this. First integral is 12 by 13 3 cos x plus 2 sin x upon 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, and second integral is minus 5 by 13 minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx. 3 cos x plus 2 sin x are cancelled out from numerator and denominator, and we get 1 dx minus 5 by 13. For this integral, we solve it by integration by substitution. We suppose 3 cos x plus 2 sin x cos x plus 2 sin x equals to t. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus 2 differentiation of sin x is cos x dx equals to dt. Minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x dx is equal to dt, and value of 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is t. Integration of 1 is x minus 5 by 13. Integration of dt by t is log t, and we add constant of integration. 12 by 13x as it is minus 5 by 13. We put the value of t. Value of t is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. This is the answer of our question.